Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my second part of the what I got for Christmas haul. Yes, it's long overdue. I ended up going to Japan, where I am at right now filming this video. So if you guys haven't seen my recent Japan vlogs, check them out. And I brought some of the pickups from Christmas over so I could film this video while I'm out here. This is part 2 of what I got for Christmas, and these gifts consist of everything I was given for free from a bunch of brands. So shout out to all the brands showing love. And in part 1 of this video, I mentioned we're going to be doing a Zebra Yeezy giveaway. So the first entry was over in that first video. Second entry will be on this video. So if you want to learn how you can enter that giveaway, stick around to the very end. Part 3 will be on my second channel, SneakerTalk 365. So you will have 3 ways to enter. All of them will be on YouTube. And yeah, best of luck to everybody who wants that size 10 pair of Zebra Yeezys. If that giveaway goes well, and if we can get maybe 2,000 thumbs up on this video, I do have 3 pairs of static Yeezys, 1 for myself and 2 extras that I've acquired. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the other 2, if I'm going to sell them, if I'm going to, I don't think they have much resale, but if I'm going to sell them to retail for somebody, or I don't know what to do with them. We might do a giveaway. So let's smash 2,000 thumbs up if you guys want to see a static Yeezy giveaway. With that said, let's get into the Christmas pickups. So Vans and all these companies actually sent over cards. Let me read it for you guys. Hi Christian, 321 blast off. From the Vans family, we hope you enjoy the new NASA Dedicated Space Voyager collection. So this is a collection a lot of you guys have been asking me to buy actually, and they sent it over to me. So I'm very, very happy. So I'll have my review on these sneakers up on the SneakerTalk 365 channel if you guys want to get a more in-depth look. And let's continue reading this letter. It says, honoring 6 decades of discovery, Vans pays homage to the original space suits and creates a timeless tribute to an out-of-this-world organization, yours, Vans Canada and Viacom teams. So thank you, Vans Canada and Viacom. I appreciate you guys. And this is the pair that they sent over right here. These are the orange old schools from the collection. There's a lot of really nice details they put into this shoe, so we'll go over some of it. You got the NASA branding right here on the side. When you go to the collar right here, you have the exposed foam. You got a little shuttle detail. There's also detachable patches right here. That's one thing that's really cool. Oops, I just threw it away. On the inside, it has some extra branding here on the midsole, and the midsole is chunkier than usual. So overall, I gotta say, really cool pair of Vans. Huge thank you to Vans for sending these bad boys over. I'll have a full review for these shoes over on SneakerTalk 365, my sneaker review channel, later in the week. So with that said, let's get to the next pickup. Next up are some pickups from the good people over at Saucony, Philippines. They sent this over to Carlos' place while I was in Manila for me, because that's where I was staying at the time. Do I have a letter from them? I am not too sure. No. I think they had a letter for me, but I left it in Canada. But anyways, Saucony Philippines, they did send over their brand new or old Azure model. Azure model. And this is them, or Azura model right here. And these are really, really nice. Take a look at this. The yellow, the blue, that nice contrast, it really, really pops. And this is an old Saucony model that came out, I think, 20 or 30 years ago. I'll have the exact time frame up on screen right now about when these came out. They came with a Rubik's Cube, and that's something I think that comes with everybody's shoes when they buy the Saucony Azura. And these are so nice, like the embroidery on the side, it's really, really detailed. And it's a nice color scheme that you don't see very often. So I'm gonna have some fun breaking this out. Thank you, Saucony Philippines. I appreciate it. And it's the first Filipino company to reach out to me and send some love, so thank you, Saucony, really kind. And they actually also sent over the matching t-shirt, which I will show you guys right now. And it also came with a tote bag too, which I just don't seem to have any of with me right now. But here is the Saucony shirt that matches the sneakers perfectly. Ba-bam. And then on the very back, we have the Saucony branding, so really cool. Saucony Zura branding right there. And yes, it will absolutely perfectly match the shoes perfectly. So you don't even have to think about, you know, the wardrobe if you're gonna break these out on a nice spring summer day. Really nice. Thank you, Saucony Philippines. Let's get to the next pickup. All right, so this next pickup is from the good folks over at Oakley, and they sent over a small card as well. It reads, hi Christian, enjoy these limited edition Oakley Frog Skins Light sunglasses, part of the Kith and Coca-Cola collaboration. Thank you, Oakley. We got some really dope Kith sunglasses right here, collaboration with Oakley in this box. You might have seen me wear them in a Japan vlog not too long ago when we were in the skiing area. Here is the little, not dust bag, but small little case cloth for it. Small cloth for it. Here you go. Kith on the one side with the box logo. We got Oakley on the other. And the frog skins are a very, very popular Oakley model. So if you're a fan of Oakley sunglasses, or if you're a sunglasses or glasses connoisseur, you absolutely know about frog skins. And they are this kind of frame right here. Really, really dope. So I'm gonna throw it on real quick. They fit me really well. Like, I'm a huge fan of these. I think they suit my face structure pretty well, and it's easily one of the best lenses you can wear to protect your eyes from the sun in like pretty much any scenario. So really cool, and they have this cool sort of color to it. Taking a look at some of the details, you got the Oakley branding in red right here. We have made in USA or USA made on the inside. Kith branding right there on the inside panel, and then you also got the Kith little logo there on the outside too. I guess it's on the outside first, and because it is see-through, you can see it on the other side. So that's pretty cool. And on the other side, you also get that Oakley branding, and then you get the Kith branding on there. So really dope. I appreciate you, Oakley, sending these over. These are really nice. These might be one of my go-to sunglasses. Next up is a jacket. A jacket a lot of you guys have been complimenting me on over on Instagram. I'm finally joining the North Face gang. So many people were very happy I was wearing this jacket, because a lot of you guys own this particular jacket in another colorway. And so when you guys saw it, you were like, Nupste gang, or Nupste gang on my Instagram post. And I was wearing it at the mall, and it was one of my most liked photos of 2018. Thank you, North Face. And the little letter actually says, the North Face never stop exploring. Very fitting, because I'm exploring Japan for the 5th time. Absolutely love it here, and this will probably be, it will be my go-to jacket for when it is freezing cold wherever I'm exploring. So the letter here reads, Christian, the North Face's 1996 retro Nupste jacket is bringing boxy back, and you better believe it's not your dad's parka. The jacket packs 700 fill goose down for increased warmth and boasts hugely convenient features. A stowable hood, self-stowing feature within the hand pockets, and a two-way center front zip. We can't wait to see how you explore in yours. Signed, The North Face and Bicom Teams. Hashtag never stop exploring at the North Face _city. So thank you, the North Face _city, the North Face, for sending this over. Didn't realize you guys had another @ so I gotta @ you guys on Instagram when I post it. But thank you, North Face, appreciate you guys. This is it, the Nupste retro blue jacket, 700 fill, perfect winter jacket in my opinion. I've been wearing it in Japan. It's been keeping me really nice and toasty. You guys probably know the brand of the North Face. They do collabs with Supreme pretty often, and you're not just paying for like a name, you're actually paying for really good quality. So we got the embroidery right here for the North Face. We got the North Face branding on the tag. You also got the North Face branding embroidery on the back right there, so everyone knows you're wearing it, not just in front of you but behind you. You got the nice pockets on the side, and overall I'll just throw it on real quick for you guys. I'll be heading out in a second. Really easy to put on. I know some winter jackets I feel like are a pain in the ass to put on and take off, but this is a jacket that just easily comes on and off. There's also the adjustable wristbands right here, so depending on how tight you want to have like the airflow going in and out of your wrist, you can adjust it accordingly. I find it really warm and convenient for me. There's also a pocket right here I like to store my headphones or my wallet. And yeah, overall I'm happy I got a new winter jacket. Thank you, North Face. And by next pickup, I mean next 3 or 4? I think 4 pickups. The homies over at Puma sent over a pretty big care package with a bunch of the stuff from the new PumaXO collection. They also included a small little letter. The weekend's 3rd collection with Puma has arrived. The latest from PumaXO takes inspiration from 90s streetwear with bold color blocking and retro graphics. In this homage to archive, tracksuits and the bomber pulled straight from the 94 Puma archives are reimagined with sleeker profiles, premium materials, and dedicated XO branding, creating a collection steeped in nostalgia but made for today. So this came out on December 13th. I got this collection like I think December 20th they sent it to me, or before that. But with this travel, it's been a pain in the butt showing you guys new products. So huge thank you to Puma, and thank you for your patience. So they sent over a bunch of stuff. I've been wearing it recently. First up, we have the beanie, black beanie, and it has a bunch of Puma embroidery all over. So if you want that over branded, over like too many logos kind of look going on, you can go for this. I really like it. You can just turn it around if you want to have it be all black. I like to have it like this. Not too many beanies are like over branded like this. So I'll just give you guys a quick little look. I can't see what I look like with my camera, so I don't even know what I look like. I probably look really silly. But yeah, I don't wear beanies too often, but when it's freezing cold, you gotta bust out the beanie, or the toque, as my fellow Canadians would call it. So beanie, I'll leave a link in the description down below for all these items as well. Second pickup, black hoodie, and it's got the PumaXO branding right here on the side. Really comfy, really warm. I've been wearing this the last 2 days. We got the drawstrings on the side, and then at the very end of the wrist cuffs, they have this white color, but they have this white stripe, I guess, basically going around the perimeter of the wrist. So nice little added detail. On the back, you have this massive PumaXO branding. On the back is like a world tour kind of look. PumaXO Worldwide XO 2018. Sort of loud, but not too loud. It's a black hoodie at the end of the day, but if you wanted that small little pop of color with the yellow and the red, that's gonna make a statement. So that is the Puma hoodie. Thank you, Puma. And last but not least, I've yet to wear these. The tags are still on them. They included some pants from the collection that just dropped, some sweatpants. These are soft. These are soft. These are really soft. So black sweatpants has a sort of like a satin kind of polyester material. It's very, very soft. And they're actually a cropped ankle. So if you wanted to highlight your shoes a bit, you can do that. And besides the cropped ankle, some other details. You've got the little pocket on the booty right there on the back right. You have the drawstrings going down the middle. There's also 2 pockets, one on each side. They're pretty deep, so you can put in your phone and not have to worry about it sliding out completely if you sit down. And then you also got a little white tab or like white block on the side. So if you're wearing it, you have like a white square on one side, white square on the other, and then on the very back on the ankle or your calf, on your left calf, there's also the PumaXO branding right there too. So there you guys go. That's gonna wrap up today's Christmas pickups. That's the rest of the stuff I received around Christmas time from brands. I probably have, I know I have a bunch of packages waiting at home of stuff I ordered and was sent. So if you guys stick around later this week or later this month, I'll have a bunch more pickups to show you guys. We're uploading daily content on this channel and on SneakerTalk 365. We're almost daily, but with this Japan trip it's a bit hard. But now that you made it to the end of the video, let's get to how you can enter the Zebra Yeezy giveaway. So step number 1, subscribe to this channel, hit that red button down below and turn on notifications. Hit that bell right beside it. It lets you guys know when videos come out so you guys don't miss them, because YouTube has been unsubscribing people from the channel and it's really freaking annoying. If you guys have not been seeing my videos in your feed, or if you guys get super busy and forget when I upload, hitting that bell is the best way to get notified for when I drop a brand new video. Also, hit that like button down below. Make sure you guys smash that like button. And last step is to comment. Comment down below which pickup you guys like the most from this haul. It could be 1 pickup, it could be 2 pickups, but let me know which items you guys like the most that I showed you guys today. And that's all you gotta do. So that's 1 entry on this video. If you want to get a 2nd entry, enter on the other what I got for Christmas video. And for the 3rd entry, make sure you guys subscribe to SneakerTalk 365. I'll be doing a review on the zebras over on there, and that's how you're gonna enter, and you'll have 3 chances to win the zebras. That's it. Hope you guys have an amazing day. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching today's vlog. And yeah, for those of you guys who have been asking why my voice got deeper, I finally hit puberty. So thank you, Mom and Dad, for allowing me to get to this, point in my life, hitting puberty. It's great.